In a big update, Times Now has accessed the purported Nagpur CCTV, which is being used as a cogent evidence by the Nagpur police to identify the miscreants and arrest the people who flared up the violence. So this is the CCTV footage from the incident. Yesterday is when the violence broke out, and look at the visuals. In the visuals, you can see the rioters picking up stones and pelting them towards the other group, as well as the police officials. Remember, several police officials have also been injured in these clashes, and this CCTV footage is going to be very, very significant because it shows these stone pelters in action. In fact, the police officials are looking at this CCTV footage to identify the rioters. As we just played out, the MOS Home has said that the government is looking at whether this was a pre-planned attack. This CCTV visual shows several of these rioters armed with sticks. They can be seen vandalizing the vehicles on the street. They can be seen pelting stones. My colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, this is going to be a very, very crucial evidence. The CCTV footage shows the rioters in action, armed with sticks and pelting stones.
Well, certainly, yes, Pratibha, a cogent piece of evidence with the Nagpur police. In fact, these CCTV visuals throughout the road from Mahal to Chitnis Park will be a crucial piece of evidence for the Nagpur police. In the visuals, what exactly we are seeing? We can see the miscreants or the people who were part of the mob armed with sticks, armed with other weapons, and also trying to cover their face with a mask or with a piece of cloth, basically trying to ensure that their identity remains hidden. However, the cops are very confident. They have detained more than 25 people till now, and they basically the local police is also saying that via those 25 people, more miscreants are expected to be detained based on the digital evidences that the Nagpur police has.
Okay, all right. Arunil, thank you for joining us with those details. We come back to you for those updates through the day because the investigations are continuing. Was it a pre-planned attack with several of these rioters seen with masks on their face, pelting stones, armed with sticks? We're keeping a close track of the investigations. Quick break now. We'll be right back.